Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to online sports program 2020-21. I am Tamkeen Abid from APS Ordinance Road. Today we will discuss about Planck's quantum theory. Today I will discuss about Planck's quantum theory. This theory was proposed in 1900 to explain the nature of light. Main points of this theory are emission or absorption of light is not a continuous process. It is emitted or absorbed in the form of wave packets or quanta. If light is a source of energy, then quanta of radiations are called as photons. Students, we already know about emission or absorption of light, that if there is some transition of electrons from lower shell to higher shell or from higher shell to lower shell, that needs energy or that releases energy, right? So that emission or that absorption of light is not a continuous process. Then how light emitted or absorbed is in explained by the scientist. These radiations are emitted or absorbed in the form of wave packets or quanta, right? कि जो एब्जॉर्प्शन होगी, जो एमिशन होगी, वो वेव पैकेट्स और क्वांटा की फॉर्म में होगी. लेकिन अगर हमने लाइट एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी यूज़ किया हुआ है, देन दैट वेव पैकेट्स और क्वांटा आर स्पेसिफिकली डिफाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ फोटॉन्स, right? The first point of Planck's quantum theory. Next, the energy associated with the photons is directly proportional to the frequency, right? So this is the relation between energy and frequency. How to express this relation mathematically? Just follow this mathematical form of this second point. According to the point, the energy E is directly proportional to frequency. That frequency is the alphabetic, the word is mu, mu, right? So if we remove the sign of proportionality, then E equals to h, which is a constant, and mu is the frequency. Now h is called as Planck's constant, and its numerical answer is h equals to 6.6 into 10 is power minus 34 joules seconds, right? So this is the first point of first mathematical description of Planck's quantum theory, in which we relates energy and frequency. So write this point over here, that E equals to h mu, the first point. Okay students, next is a body emit or absorb energy only in terms of integral multiple of quanta. We already write its first equation, that E equals to h mu. इस मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म की राइट साइड पर हम एक इंटेग्रल मल्टीपल इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगे, दैट इज E equals to h mu. We have the second point, second mathematical point, and इसको हम एक n नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, where n equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? So students, these are the 3 points of Planck's quantum theory. इस इन पॉइंट्स में जो एनर्जी है, इस एनर्जी को हम बाकी कुछ और मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म से भी रिलेट करेंगे. नाउ दीज मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म्स ऑफ further parameters are, like we already know that energy of emitting protons is, already know that frequency mu is inversely proportional to wavelength, right? ये भी प्लैंक्स क्वांटम थ्योरी में जो एनर्जी है उसको रिलेट करेंगे हम फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ, लैम्डा के साथ, एंड देन वेव नंबर के साथ. फ्रीक्वेंसी इज नंबर ऑफ वेव पासिंग थ्रू अ पॉइंट in 1 seconds. Lambda is the distance between two adjacent trough and crust, right? So frequency is inversely proportional to 1 over lambda means wavelength. So if we solve this, frequency is equal to c over lambda. Again, c is a constant, where c is speed of light, and its numerical answer is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We already discussed about energy and frequency relation, that is E equals to h mu. Now putting the value of frequency from this equation to this is our second equation, and this is our first equation. E as it is put करेंगे, h is a constant, and frequency को हमने equation 2 में define किया, that is c over lambda. So in this equation h and c are constant, so we can say that energy is inversely related with lambda, right? Another way to describe energy, we already know that wave number, this is wave number, is equals to wave number. That wave number is reciprocal of wavelength, like wave number is reciprocal of 1 over lambda, or we can write it as lambda equals to 1 over mu bar. Mu bar is wave number. Wave number is number of wave passing through distance of 1 meter. So per meter is the unit of wave number, right? Next, putting this value of lambda, right, wave number 1 over lambda, or lambda equals to 1 over wave number. So taking this equation, E equals to h c 1 over lambda. We know that 1 over lambda equals to wave number, so E equals to h c mu bar. This is h and c are constant, v bar is wave number, so we can say that energy is directly proportional to wave number. So we have relate energy with frequency, that E equals to h mu. We relate energy with lambda equals to hc over lambda. We relate energy with wave number. Wave number is h c mu bar. In the first form, E is directly proportional to frequency, E is inversely proportional to lambda, and E is directly proportional to frequency, right? So यहाँ से एक मैथमेटिकल प्रूफ पेपर में आता है, हाउ यू रिलेट एनर्जी विद वेव नंबर. सो आपको सारे मैथमेटिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन करनी पड़ेंगे फिर, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन अबाउट Planck's quantum theory or its mathematical form, you can ask me on class WhatsApp group. Stay at home, be safe. Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.